Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and thanks for coming in and watching our video for week 15. And as we get going here, you're going to actually see that weeks 15 and 16 are kind of rolled together here. So as our last 2 weeks of the semester, I'm gonna go ahead and give you all of the stuff we're going to do in the last 2 weeks. Weeks 15 and 16, and you can go ahead and do as much as you want over hopefully get the week 15 stuff done up front here, but then also your week 16 stuff, which will be due by the following Friday. So again, you'll see the schedule that I'll originally roll out here starting Monday, December 7th. Please check your grades, go through your grade book, read over everything for week 15 and into week 16. Kind of get a plan for the next 2 weeks. And normally, as you do your plan, your schedule for the week, kind of plan out over the next 2 weeks, both week 15 and 16, which will be the last week. And you'll see that our schedule actually goes Monday through Friday as usual, the weekend, and then I also mentioned Monday, December 14th, and that will go into the final week, the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, and 18th, and then hopefully we'll get everything turned in by December 18th. So this week, as we wrap up, what we're going to be doing are the Unit 2 final activities. And we're going to have 3 discussion boards and then the Unit 2 text-based assessment. That's your Unit 2 final. And if you want to go ahead and, certainly open up the folder. But if you want to go ahead and read the text-based assessment, see what it is. It's very similar to Unit 1, where you have 6 documents. You have a prompt, which you have to answer, and then you choose 3 of the 6 documents as you answer the prompt. And what we're going to do, first of all, I want you to go through and review Unit 2. That's this first discussion board, the Unit 2 review. Then you're going to do your point paragraph for your final assessment. These are the 2 discussion boards I want you to do for this week, week 15. Unit 2 review and Unit 2 final assessment. That's your point paragraph. That will be your introductory paragraph for your 5-paragraph essay, which you'll be doing for your text-based assessment. And then I would like you to maybe get started on this final assessment, your evidence paragraphs, discussion board maybe towards the end of the week, but really that and then your actual turning your assessment in will be week 16. But for this week, first of all, focus on this Unit 2 review and then do this point paragraph. These, be sure to check the due dates, not just the official due dates, but also the suggested, getting your posts done so that you can get replies on them and everything. But so these are your 2 things for this week. And again, as we're finishing up your semester, any questions or anything, please reach out to me Monday through Friday. Been having some people reach out to me over the weekend saying, "Hey, Mr. Kerr, give me a call back." And it's like Saturday night at 8:30, and I'm not available then. So, please reach out Monday through Friday, preferably before 4 o'clock on Friday. But as we get into all of that. Let me know if you have any questions, but you'll basically have everything to get done through the final 2 weeks here, week 15 and 16. And let me know if you have any questions as we do that, okay? I'll see some of you on Wednesday, and many of you know that I will be leaving the school at the end of the semester. I will not be your teacher for second semester. So, but it's been great. I enjoyed getting to know all of you as we wrap up this semester. So thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.